Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. And for today's episode, we are going to do another graduation DIY. This time it's going to be a backdrop setup. And it's going to be a little different because I'm going to just walk you through what I did for this setup. Now I'm just putting the backdrop stand up. This is called a pipe and drape kit backdrop. I got this from Amazon. It cost me about $100, but you can also find a backdrop from Amazon or even Walmart for like around $20 to $30. So you could get it much cheaper, but I just want to warn you that when you do these setups outside, you can have a tipping over problem. So I had to reinforce this backdrop with I had to put a lot of rocks at the base in order to get it not to tip. So that's the only thing about doing these setups outside. You have to make sure you have them weighted down. Now I'm just adding the linen. The linen comes from Amazon. Those are sequin curtains, as you can see, and the sequin curtains just adds a nice bling to the backdrop, and they're not that expensive. You can get those things from Amazon. So just continuing to set up. Now, right now I'm adjusting the height of the backdrop. Actually, you want to leave the stand lowered while you're putting the draping on, because as you can see, I'm kind of struggling to get it on because I have risen up the bars. So if I would have kept it lower, it would have been a little easier for me to put this on. Also, you might notice the sequin curtains are different lengths. So what I'm gonna do is crisscross the white curtains to kind of camouflage that, so you won't really be able to see the uneven lengths. And then for this backdrop, I use clamps to keep the curtains together, so that you wouldn't see any gaps. And I also use pins as needed. I apologize for the brightness of this clip here, but I'm just unwrapping the balloon columns. I will have a balloon column tutorial coming up. I love to do balloon columns. They're very simple. As you can see, this is a 3-color balloon column with like a spiral look. So I will be doing a tutorial on how to make these here soon, and they're very, very easy to make. Basically, I just took a black balloon. Black was like my base color because that was like the main color that I used, and I coupled the black with white, and I coupled it with the yellow, and I created quads and just begin to put them together, and that's how I got my balloon column. I also just wait to put the topper on, just for the sake of it fitting inside of my car. So just continuing to take the bag from around it. And here is the finished product. The banner, I did not create the banner. The banner was provided by the client. I just hung it up there for her. I think it really helps it to look really, really nice. I think it came out beautifully. And then up next, here is another backdrop that I did. I did this for my niece. So this was a backdrop that I did for her. Thank you so much for viewing my video. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye.